Hello students. Today I am going to discuss the critical appreciation of the poem Brotherhood by Octavio Paz, which is included in the syllabus of class 11. You patiently watch this till the last, and I hope it will going to help you to understand the actual theme, the motive, and the essential characteristics of the poem. And if it is helpful for you, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more updated videos, more relevant videos on the topics for your future. So let's start. The Nobel Prize winning Mexican poet Octavio Paz, in his poem Brotherhood, illustrates a deep philosophical truth of human existence, which is as we proceed in our life since our birth, we tend to believe that we are very insignificant creatures in this vast universe. But the poet wants us to realize, wants us to garner the feeling that we are not insignificant. Though we are mortal, but compared to the vast universe and created by God, we are not insignificant. Our true credential is there to prove to the world that we can do something for the welfare of the world at large. The poet starts the poem with, "I am a man, little do I last," which states firmly that as a human being, our main identity is to be true to our identity. What we are, we are. And we are mortal. The God created us, and we are grown in the light of the God who guides us through our total existence in this universe. Brotherhood actually means a total unity of every individuals throughout the world. What the poet wants to say, that our identity as a human being is closely associated with all the human beings of the world. What we want as a human being to serve the world, whether as a poet or as a scientist or as a teacher or as a farmer, it's not very important. But our intention, our intensity, our true credentials are there to prove to the world that we are to offer what scanty, what substantial characteristics or what substantial qualities that the God offered to us, which we want to cultivate in the life of others. We share the true feelings, true qualities of ourselves to qualities with others. That's what the poet wants to elaborate through our existence. The world is a big, enormous world, and the stars right. It is our intuition, which is also a true credentials of our characteristics to realize our significance and lead us to motivate ourselves and to express our actualities to the benefit of human beings, which at times becomes a riddle, becomes a mystery, which is shrouded in the darkness that the poet explains when he uses the line, the night is enormous. Here, night refers to the other end of the life, that is death, which is shrouded in mystery, and darkness itself is a mystery, which you all know. But before our death, we are created in the light of, in the wish of the Creator, God, who wants us to share our part in this world. That's why he says the stars right, and his life is also written when he underlines by stating that I too am written. And the God spells out what he wants to achieve, he wants to have with the human beings he created. And this philosophical truth, this essence of our existence, is elaborately explained by the poet Octavio Paz. And he dedicated this poem to Claudius Ptolemy, who was an astronomer, writer of the ancient era. And he dictated the first notion of astronomy to the world, which, as a tribute, the poet wants to offer to his predecessors, rather to to Claudius Ptolemy. And that's philosophical, that's intrinsic introspective analysis has been offered, has been dealt with in this poem. So, thanks for watching, and I hope you understand the actual motive of the poem. So, hope for the best and wait for the next video. Thank you.